Back for another beautiful day at the mine. Dad's up there, got the excavator going, but I have a problem. Load and no go-go. Absolutely zip. Anyway, I've checked for spark, so I know I've got some spark running through alternatory thingery jiggery whatever that thing is, but it's that thing, yeah? Don't worry about the names of the rubbish. It's just got to work, yeah? So I think it's something in here. Anyway, I'm a mechanic's ass, so we'll have a look anyway, eh? And we'll see if we can get some work done today. Things have been good, it's been raining, time's been beautiful out here. We've got plenty of water. Just about ready to operate. The last coin will set up before we actually start up everything. And I'll be set up. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can get this bloody thing fixed. Righto. Okay. Let's go fix a loader. If only it was that simple. Right, so the problem is, I believe, is in the ignition. Not that I know a hell of a lot about it. I'm going to put the camera on here so you guys can watch me try and make cock of it, okay? Who to spare with. My mechanical experiences are Poo bum. Anyway, got me baffled, so I'm dead in the water, literally. Well, dead on the mine until I can get that sorted. We were that close. Anyway, probably a day or two and I'll get this thing sorted out. Take it from there. Okay, a little story, but I've absolutely had enough today. But I was working on the trommel, just fixing leveling boxes and getting it right. I thought I'd do some adjustments on the motor. And normally I tell everybody pay attention when you're in the bush, in the Australian bush, and blah blah blah. Anyway, out I come. I haven't paid any attention. I'm over here working away, not thinking anything. Pain in the neck. Pain in the arm, pain in the chest, the back. And I slap and oh geez, I better get up and fix. Wasps. And right up from where I'm working with them. Now, luckily enough, I got stung about 5 or 6 times. I ran off down the creek for a swim. And I come back up and I sprayed the little buggers. Oh, geez, you turn around for 5 minutes and those little shits are everywhere. So, there's a pile of bodies down there or whatever, but horrible little things, paper wasps or something. They are, what the stinging, the pain, the crying, the screaming. Thank God the camera was off. You all think ill of me. Oh, them little buggers, they all carry machine guns. I've got shot to shit. That's enough of me. I've had enough. Hot now. Going home. Yeah, I can't fix that either. So, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you have a better day than me. See you later.